Good morning everyone. Today my menu is I'm gonna fry fish. You see there. And I'm gonna steam kangkong. Here's my kangkong. There. Benefits of eating kangkong. Kangkong is low in calories, in fat, low in fat in calories, high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant, and help control the blood cholesterol, and good for the skin health, and boost immunity, and prevent diabetes, and good for what do you call that, constipation, anti-constipation. And kangkong is so high in vitamin minerals. And I'm gonna fry fish. Fish is high in iodine, high in vitamin omega-3, fatty acid. Fatty acid is good for our body. This is my kangkong. My oil is not yet hot. I need to make it hot properly so that it won't stick in the pan. This is my menu today.